How to log in to your existing account on My Drama application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to log into My Drama application, then you are in the right place. First things first, find the My Drama app on your device and launch it open. Make sure that your internet is turned on, and once you are inside this home page, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now click on sign in, and in the sign in area, select how you'd like to sign in. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, or with email. Since I created an account with email option previously, I'm gonna choose continue with email. Let's tap on one of the options over here. And now, if you've selected email, go ahead and enter your email address and then your password associated with your account in the respective text boxes. Finally, click sign in. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password link over here and follow through the instructions to reset your password. After having your correct credentials entered, tap on sign in, and that's it. You've successfully signed in to your account. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.